You see, I feel I would like to make one small comment if other people hear this interview that today we have created these examinations like joint entrance examinations, CUET. It is necessary, I can understand that. But at the same time, look at the stress on the younger generation. And I worry about that. Now, if at class 9 a person has to go to Kota to learn physics so that he can clear JEE, that is a tragedy. People
Yeah.
blame coaching institutes. I do not blame coaching institutes. Coaching institutes have some of the brilliant teachers there. We have now created a system. It is our fault. I take part responsibility because we at IIT created a examination which
Yeah.
requires preparation. So imagine what will the child do? Will the child go to coaching class or will the child study in school and not get the opportunity to get into Delhi University or this thing? So this is a very scary situation that is
Yeah.
evolving, and people in large numbers going to coaching and missing the 4 years of school life. You know,
Yeah.
in school you have debates, you have social functions, and do experiments. They are not
Yeah.
doing. I hear
They're
that
not.
they are not doing. This is a very very serious, and there is a solution that I have. The
Great.
solution is
Huh.
they. You see, when I was a young student and India had just become independent, the number of aspirants were very small. And so, therefore, getting admission was not that difficult.
That difficult.
And therefore, your board examination result and things is. Now, to get admission, you have to do that, do the
Yeah.
coaching, and go out of the school, have a fake school, and all these wrong things are available. And too much of competition, too much.
Yeah.
And you, when I every day in the newspaper there is a suicide in Kota, and that depresses me. That depresses me because they are young, bright minds. But the coaching centers, in my opinion, also teach you problem solving. So that is a very, very important thing. And so the
Yeah.
students come out, though those who, but only 1% or 0.5% of the students are successful. The rest are not. But they
Yeah.
develop the habit of. So, in my opinion, my solution is therefore to have a large number of institutes, bigger universities, so that students do not have to go to the coaching centers. And once again, I do not blame the coaching centers. I blame that a student is faced with too much of stress at the what should I do and how should I prepare myself to do.